am Simon Datta. Currently, I am doing my BSc in CSE in Daffodil International University. My hometown is Joshua. My SSC from my village school, NBK High School, where I obtained GPA 5, and my SSC from my hometown college in BF Shrine College, Joshua, where I secured GPA 4.61. It's my fifth semester. My last semester CGPA was 3.63, and I in this journey I do many several projects like water oxygen monitoring system, Java. With Java, I made a project which is library management system. In Python, I make a project in hospital management system. Beginner level competitive programmer. I am doing many competitive competition in Codeforce Hacker Rank, and I participate in my university many contests like Takeoff, Unlock the Algorithm, and ICPC one. After the academic journey, I like to traveling, fishing. My last travel tour was in Coxbazar, where we enjoy so much with friends, and our next destination will be the Khagrasari, Bandarban. And after my BSc, I like to do in robotic side, because I love to work with technology, and I love to work with robotic side. So I like to do automation. Eager to learn new technologies and take on new challenges and apply in my skill in real world scenarios, and look forward to continuing with this community. Thank you for your time, and I look forward in connecting with you. So thank you.